Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. For today, we're going to cook chicken sotanghon. This dish is good for 4 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching! Garlic, ginger, and onion must be chopped. Green finger pepper. Carrots must be chopped into small and thin strips. Sotanghon must be soaked in warm water for 30 minutes. This is what drained sotanghon looks like after 30 minutes. The shredded chicken. Pour the water and chicken in the pot. Heat the pot and cook in medium heat. Cover and wait for it to boil. When it's already boiling, add the salt. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. The chicken is cooked. Separate the chicken from the chicken stock. Transfer the chicken to the strainer. Wait for it to cool a little bit. Shred the chicken. Set aside. Heat the pot and cook in medium heat. Pour the oil. Sauté garlic, onion, and ginger. Add the shredded chicken. Then stir fry. Pour the chicken stock. Add the salt and pepper. The amount of salt and pepper vary depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. Add the carrots, cover and wait for it to boil. When it's already boiling, add the oyster sauce. Then stir. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the sotanghon. The sotanghon will absorb the liquid. Mix them. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the green finger pepper. Make it a habit to taste the food that you're cooking so you can check if you still need to adjust the salt and other condiments. Cover and simmer for another 2 minutes. And there you have it, chicken sotanghon. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!